Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to smoke some Dino ribs. Some of the things I look for whenever I'm looking for Dino ribs are size and height. I got these already prepped, but let me give you a once over to kind of show you where I'm at. The sheer size of these things. I'm a 6'2" guy. These things are way bigger than my hand just for scale. Look at that. The bone is down here. All of this is meat. A good inch to an inch and a quarter of just pure meat. Ooh. Got a nice little brisket going on up there. If you want to see what that's all about, check out the rest of my videos. I will put a link on the description up here. You want to make sure there's a water pan. You want to smoke anywhere between 250 to 275, and you're going to smoke these for at least 4 to 4.5 hours. I do have this set up here with the Thermoworks. Here we are 4.5 hours later. Let's go ahead and see what this baby looks like. So the next step in the process here is to go ahead and get something to wrap it with. You can either use pink butcher paper or foil paper. The difference is foil gives it more of a softer feel to it when it's done, and this one leaves a little bit more room for that outdoor barbecue type of taste. A lot of the products you see, you will be able to find a link on the description below. If you guys are interested, please click on those links. Helps the channel out. We're still going to do bone facing down. Now we want to go ahead and stick a meat temperature probe, because we're going to go ahead and let this baby ride until it hits about 200 degrees internal temp. So just kind of stick it right in the middle. Try not to get a bone. Now we can go ahead and put this baby to bed. So the internal temperature of these Dino ribs just hit 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The next step here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull them out. I'm using my gloves from Grillaholics. Ooh, like butter. So I'm going to keep them in here for about a couple of hours before we slice into the ribs and see what we got. Let's unwrap these babies to see what we have. Hope the camera can catch all of that. Get you a better angle of this. What you want to find here is middle ground. What this one has, it has 3 bones right here, so I'm going to try to get right in the middle. You can't say that they're not falling off the bone, right? Look at that. There you go, guys. So I mean, I was trying to keep the bone in here, but jeez. I guess I'll just take them out. That's one rib. Use your imagination that the bone is still in there. That's 2 ribs, check it out. And here's a 3rd rib. I mean, it's as simple as that. Follow this method and you too will have clean bones coming off when you do your Dino ribs. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.